Then you click on these three dots on your right hand side, then click to download, then it will download on your phone. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to download 1688 app and use it without a translator. Trust me, there's so much to learn in today's video. I'm going to teach you so many tips and tricks on the app, so I will advise you don't skip the video at all. Watch it till the end so that you don't miss out in this video. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So to download 1688 app, go to your Google Chrome, type 1688.com, 1688.com. Then when you get here, click here. So when you click it, you can see this place that is written in Chinese. Then you see app app here. Then click it to download the app. Once you download and install the app successfully, click here. This is the app. So if you want to search for any product, you can see the camera icon to search here. So all you need to do is click on the camera icon like this. Then click here to search for any product you want to search. So let's say you want to search for a bag. You can click like this, then swipe up, and it's going to bring out the bag. So this is how to use it. So if you want to place order, because I'm using this app right now without a translator, I'm showing you how to use it without a translator. So let's say you want to order this bag now. Once you click on it, then click on this red part, look down, click on this red, then you place order. You can select the color you want like this, select the quantity, then you click this red again to place your order. If it shows you this, just click on this checkbox, then click on where they wrote 1688 like this, then it will take you back to what you were doing before. So you can now place your order like this, then you go to make payments. It's very easy to use the app without a translator. So you continue to make payments. You click on this red place again, then it takes you to where you would enter your payment password to pay. So if you want to enter your account profile, click on this contact icon to enter your account profile to track your goods as well. Then there's something I want to show you. If you want to see all the things you have clicked on before on the website, click on this place where you can see foot 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 icon. Click on it like this, then it will show you all the things you have clicked on before. You can see the bag I clicked on earlier. That's the bag over there. So if I go and click on something else now, let me click on this, it is going to be saved. It's going to save in that particular place, and you can easily go and check it later if you want to check it. So let's go back now. Click on that place again, click on it like this. You can see it here. So you can see it has come to this place. So if there is anything you have clicked on before, it's going to come to this place and it will stay there. So if there's any time you want to check what you have previously clicked on or search for in the page before, I mean on the app before, maybe what you searched for 1 week ago, 3 days ago, 1 month ago, you can just easily come to this foot icon here, click on it like this, and it will show you. So I want to show you how to add to cart. Let's say you want to add this product to your cart now. Just click on this yellow side that is written in Chinese, this yellow side, click on it, then select what you want to add to cart, then click to add to cart. So if you want to see the product you have already added to cart, click on this cart icon, look up, click on this cart icon here, and it's going to show you everything that you have added to cart. You can refresh it like this. So you can see the bag I just added to cart now. This is how to add to cart. You have only 200 items to add to your cart. Once it is 200, it will be full. If your cart is full and you want to delete some product from your cart, this is how to delete. Click on this Chinese language that is on your right hand side up, the one at topmost up. Click on it like this, then select the one you want to delete. Let's say I want to delete this white shoe. Then you wait for it to load, then click it. You can see one selected. Look bottom, look down, you see that one has been selected. Let's say I want to delete this one. You can select as many as you want to delete. So once you select it like this, then click on this place that is highlighted 3. Click on it, then click it like this, then that's all. It will delete it from your cart. You can see that the number has reduced to 160. It was 163 before. So this is how to delete from your cart without translating your app. You can also add products to your favorites. You can also add your favorite product to another particular side. So if you want to add this product now to favorites, click here, click on this star side, click on it like this. You can see that it started red now, so it means it has automatically added it to your favorite products. So if you want to check product you have added to your favorites, then come here, go to your profile area, click on this star. Can you see this star here? Click on it like this. It's going to show you all the products you have added to your favorites before. Look at the product I just added now, look at it there. So that's how to add to your favorites. This next tip is how to chat a seller. So let's say you want to chat this particular seller that is selling this product now. Just click on this chat icon area, click on it like this. Then it will take you to the seller DM. Then click here. Once you click here, click on these 3 dots here. Once you click on 3 dots, click to translate. So you can now chat the person directly in Chinese. So you can say, hello, I want to place order, like this. So you click on this place to translate it, then you send. Then you send it. So this is how to chat sellers. The seller just replied me now. So click on it like this. So to read this message, just click on the message like this, click and hold it, then click on the first Chinese language to copy it. Then to read the message, you will still need a translator because this is a text message. You need to translate it to English to read what the seller said. So you can now go to your translator to translate it to English. So just to click and paste it, say hello, wait a minute. So this is how to translate it. It's very easy. In this next tip, I want to show you how to download picture and videos on this app. So click on it, the picture, then look at your right hand side. You can see that arrow that is looking down. Click on the arrow like this, then click on this first Chinese language to download it, and it will be saved on your gallery. So the next one now is to show you how to download videos. So if you want to watch the video, click on it to watch it like this first. This is a video of the pajamas. So right now, to download it, click on this the description of the products that is written in Chinese. You can see where they wrote sleepwear pajamas. This place, click and hold it. Automatically it has become paid because there is a link inside this Chinese language. There's a link that is hidden inside the Chinese language. So once you click on it like this and copy it, then go to your Google Chrome. Go to your Google Chrome like this. Then paste that link there. Paste the link like this. Take you to that product now. Then from here, click on the product, play the video. So once it starts playing, click on these 3 dots on your right hand side like this to download it. You can see it download. So click on it like this, then it will automatically download on your phone. So this is how to download. You can open the downloaded video to watch it. So this is it right here. In this next tip, I'm going to show you how you can search for a product on with Google Lens automatically from this website. So just click and hold the image like this. It will bring out this option. Then click search image with Google Lens. So click on search image with Google Lens. It's going to show you other people that have the image, like other websites where they are selling the product. So you can see it on Alibaba, Amazon. This is where if they have it on Jumia, it's going to also bring it out on Jumia or on Konga, so that you can know the amount they are selling it. So that if you want to buy and sell, you will know the amount the product is being sold in the market. Then you will know, you prepare your mind and know how much you are going to sell yours. You follow the same process for any other product you want to download the video. So except if the product does not have video, because it's not all products that have video. So you do the same thing. You play the video like this. You allow it to play first. Then you click on these three dots on your right hand side. Then click to download. Then it will download on your phone. That's all. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I mean, to like the video and share my video, and don't forget to drop comments. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and don't forget to drop comments if there is any area in the video that you are finding it difficult to understand. Just drop it in the comment section and I'm going to attend to it immediately. See you in my next video. Bye.